One exciting thing about my job is picking a place to go. We'll scour maps or Google Earth, picking the most remote corner where we know nothing. But the next job is to figure out how to get there. And that's where the real adventure begins. In Madagascar, we were told, no, the road is closed, the road is closed, but we wanted to get back. We'd been in the field for 6 weeks, and nothing was going to stop us to get back. And as we approached the road, we saw about 2 miles of trucks that had been lined up for a week, not able to pass a bridge that was out. So we spent half a day traversing this little cattle road, cutting branches, making sure our vehicle could get through, and we got to the river. And there was no way we could drive across. So I hired 20 people from a local village to come down to the river. I drove the car into the river, turned off the engine just as it went completely under, climbed onto the roof, threw out 2 big ropes to the people waiting. They swam ashore, and they basically pulled the car out from underwater, back up to the other side. I got back in, the car started up, and off we drove. And we got back to the main road where there's all these truckers that are encamped and waiting. And they're like, how'd you do that? And then I drove off. People think the greatest adventure is finding life on Mars. But actually, the greatest adventure is right here on Earth. We found but 10% of who we share this planet with. That is 90% of life is to be discovered. 90% is just basically in our backyard waiting for someone to go out and find it. And to me, that is the greatest adventure left.